What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do one of my favorite flatland tricks, which is a backside nose roll from the heel edge. So let me show you. Come in on your heels, wind up, swing yourself around. So you will need to be able to do a little bit of a nose press like this. Doesn't have to be one that you can sustain for a long time. It's only for a couple of seconds that you have to be able to stay on the nose of the board. If you prefer, you could do it the other way, on going this way, in which case you need to be able to hold a press on this foot. In addition to that, really helps if you can do a backside sort of 180 flat spin without leaving the ground. I'll show you what I mean. So you should be able to do this. Go along on your heels, and instead of making a toe side turn, we're going to kind of initiate a toe side turn, and then look over your back shoulder and let it swing around. That's pretty much the whole trick. Now you just got to combine the two. So on your way through the heel edge, wind up your shoulders, unwind, and go to that nose the nose press. Should look like this. The other one looks like this. And then all of those things are a good little warm-up for how it feels to do any kind of a back lip. So back lip is anytime you hit a rail or a box or something and the feature is behind you. So you're spinning onto it as if you came in on your toes, but you're coming in on your heels. So it should look a little like this. Hopefully.